Hi, I'm Yamini from Mumbai. My brand name is Yamini Handmade. We are specialized in customized handmade gifts and chocolates. I am the one of the participants of 10XGrowth workshop. I found this workshop to be very informative and insightful. This workshop provides you with the specific hands-on skill, and the skill will be invaluable in your personal life as well as your professional life. This is one of the great investments I have made on myself during the lockdown. The course content was very relevant. It covered different aspects like mindset, behavior of a person and organization, how to develop growth mindset, how to find out your ikigai, and lots more. And key learning from this course are: growth is our obligation, responsibility, and nature. It is a sign that we are alive. For the 10x growth, you need a growth mindset with positive beliefs. So thank you, Rajiv sir, for sharing your knowledge, your skill with us. You are a great mentor, a teacher and trainer. You have a wonderful leadership skill, and I'm very thankful to you. And I would recommend this course to everyone who want to scale up their business on the path of 10x growth. Thank you.